Hello students, there is one question. There is one boy, he is running on a boat with speed v, and the boat is moving with the speed v, say in this direction. And the boat is sailing on a smooth water surface. Okay, please don't get confused when we say smooth water surface. Means that there is no viscous force, there is no fluid friction between the surface of the bottom of the boat and the water. Now the question is, what will happen to the speed of the boat? तो बोट की स्पीड को क्या इफेक्ट होने वाला है? What is going to affect on the speed of the boat? The answer is speed will remain v. It will remain unchanged. You'll put how? Because in the absence of the external force, the total momentum of the system remains constant. So the speed of the boy, that is v, will not affect the capital V. So it will remain unchanged. So simple it is. So dear students, basically these are the questions which are based upon the law of conservation of momentum, and kabhi-kabhi sometimes it is asked in the concept of the center of mass. You can use the concept of center of mass, the speed of the center of mass between of the boat and the child system remains unchanged, and it will remain equal to capital V. Why it will remain capital V? Because there is no external force acting. External force means the viscous force. There is no viscous force acting. So this is how the system will be smoothly moving and center of mass will not get affected. Thank you. Just in 2 minutes and 1 second you understand this problem. Hope it is simple and best. Thank you. See students, this is your channel, and if you want to use this channel for more useful way, then the best way to use this channel is to go to the playlist and follow the sequence wise. But these are the doubts I am uploading, so I will definitely shift to the playlist also this video as belonging to center of mass even, or you can say it's based upon the law of conservation of momentum as well. So thank you all, thank you very much. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and Vipin Sharma Physics channel is your channel, and